Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a lot of requests on how to make this look, so I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the process. In this video, I'm giving you an overview of how I put this outfit together. I won't be going into every single step here, but the full detailed tutorial with exact measurements is available for my members only or as a one-time purchase via the link in the description. This video is simply to show you what goes into creating the outfit. So sit back, watch the process and enjoy the transformation. And if you want the complete step-by-step breakdown, you already know where to find it.